Hello and welcome to the Hotel Hacienda Encantada in beautiful Cabo San Lucas. As you walk in, you see one of 3 closets. Yes. Then on your left, you have a guest bathroom with a full shower. Beautiful mirror and little hall table. Here's closet number 2 with a safe. The whole room is decorated in traditional Mexican, not too ornate, yet nothing is cheap. Everything is exquisitely selected. The wood is nice and hard. Decorations everywhere. Beautiful traditional mirrors. Beautiful TV. Look at this. First of 2 views right over the pool. And that incredible, stunning. Then we go back the way we came. Oh, wait, here's the full kitchen. Let's not forget that. So nice. And because we have the all-inclusive option, we have a fully stocked refrigerator. The room is also traditional Mexican. Another armoire with another TV. Beautiful mirror. Everything is just exquisitely. Daybed. Traditional Mexican art. An outdoor sitting area with another beautiful view. And the thing that's super great about this bathroom is it has a little window where a guest can take a bath and enjoy the view. And here's another full shower and bathroom. And then the 3rd closet is right in here. It really is a great room for a family. It comes equipped with a fully stocked kitchen, pots and pans, and then this couch pulls out for the kids. Perfect.